Cancer, over the next 3 days, things may feel quiet on the outside, but inside, your awareness is stirring. The universe is asking you to notice small shifts, moments, feelings, and thoughts that quietly change what you carry forward and what you let go. Hi, love, it's Ira. Let's step into your energy and see what's coming up. These next 3 days are not about big events. They're about small, subtle shifts that prepare you for bigger growth ahead. The first card is the Six of Pentacles. Over these 3 days, you may notice where your energy is going and how it's returned. You may see that you often give more than you receive. You check in, help, and adjust for others. And now, a quiet awareness starts forming inside you. The Six of Pentacles helps you see who truly shows up and who doesn't. When you pause over giving, the balance becomes clear. You may also receive something small in return, a kind gesture, a word of advice, or even a small financial relief. What matters is fairness. You don't feel like you owe anything. This card asks you to let things balance naturally. You don't need to fix it, force it, or overgive. Let the universe and people adjust themselves. The second card is the Eight of Swords. Over the next 3 days, your mind may feel busy. Old thoughts or past decisions may replay. You may worry or feel unsure about simple choices. This doesn't mean something is wrong. It's your mind staying alert. The Eight of Swords shows that nothing outside is blocking you. The pressure is inside, coming from old thinking habits. You may ask yourself what-if questions constantly. What if I fail? What if I chose wrong? What if I missed something? This card reminds you not to answer every thought. Peace comes when you stop arguing with your mind. Instead, ask yourself, what do I need right now? That question brings calm and clarity. The third card is the Ace of Pentacles. This card brings grounding energy and practical opportunity. Over these days, you may get a simple, sensible idea related to work, money, health, or daily life. It won't feel exciting, but it will feel useful. The Ace of Pentacles asks you to start small, a habit, a plan, a routine, or a step that moves your life forward. Big leaps aren't needed right now. Emotionally, this brings relief. You feel capable again, like life is manageable. Step by step, things begin to make sense. If you ignore this small idea because it feels slow or boring, growth slows too. This is your seed, quiet, patient, and steady. The fourth card is the Page of Cups. Over these days, gentle emotions rise to the surface. You may feel softer, more sensitive, or reflective. You may think of someone from your past or feel drawn to quietly express your emotions. The Page of Cups asks you to notice your feelings without judgment. Small emotions are guidance, not confusion. A message, memory, or kind gesture may touch you more than expected. Something simple may reach your heart deeply. Your emotions are guiding you. If something feels peaceful or warm, pay attention. You don't need to explain it, just notice it. If this reading resonates with you, you can book for $155 for 2026 complete forecast, where I look directly at your energy, your timelines, and next steps. There's also a monthly membership for ongoing guidance. A personal reading gives clarity and confidence about your next moves. The fifth card is the Knight of Pentacles. Over the next 3 days, things may feel slow, and that is exactly how they should be. Plans may progress steadily, replies may take time, and results may not appear instantly. This is not a block. It's the correct pace for you now. The Knight of Pentacles asks you to keep going, even when motivation is low. Consistency matters more than excitement. One small step each day is enough to move forward. This card also reminds you that slow, steady effort builds a foundation that lasts. Even when it feels repetitive, you are creating stability that will support you for the long term. Patience is your power right now. Keep moving forward step by step without rushing or forcing results. The sixth card is the Queen of Cups. This card brings emotional clarity and maturity. You may find yourself listening more and reacting less. You may feel the emotions of others but not take them on as your own. This shows growth and understanding. Someone around you may open up, or you may finally understand why someone acted a certain way, not to excuse them, but to free yourself from carrying it. The Queen of Cups also asks you to be gentle with yourself. Rest when you feel tired. Let emotions flow without judgment. They are information, not weakness. During these days, your emotional balance improves quietly. You feel calmer and more centered naturally. The seventh card is the Two of Wands. This card shows you looking ahead. Over the next 3 days, you may begin noticing possibilities and options. You don't need to decide yet, you are simply seeing what feels right for you now. You may compare two paths or directions. The Two of Wands asks you to imagine, plan, and explore without pressure. Vision comes before action. This card shows you are no longer stuck in the past. You are standing at the edge of something new. Curiosity and observation are your guides. If this reading resonates with you, remember, you can book a personal tarot session for $155 for 2026, where I'll look directly at your energy, choices, and next steps. There's also a monthly membership for ongoing guidance and support. A personal reading gives clarity and confidence about your path forward. The eighth and final card is Temperance. Temperance brings the main message. Slow down, stay balanced, and mix effort with rest. You don't need extremes, sudden decisions, or rushing. This card is about harmonizing logic with feeling, action with patience, and rest with effort. When you stay balanced, life flows more easily, and struggles become smaller. Over these next 3 days, your strength comes from calm, steady presence. When you act from balance, things naturally fall into place. Here is your affirmation for these 3 days. Cancer, I trust the timing of my life. I take small, steady steps toward my goals. I honor my feelings and my pace. Balance and patience guide me toward peace.